Ortona Lock and Dam. Guys are over there fishing. It's been a pretty good spot. Looks like the gate is open 1 foot. That's according to that. Next gate says 0, so there's almost no water coming out of here. This gate, oh, it's open about 2.5 feet. No idea what that means. But it really don't matter anyway, does it? Okay, and the last one. This one is 0, so it is closed. Okay, that concludes our trip over the Ortona Dam. And according to this sign up here, that's 1 down, 2,499 more sites to go. Me and Crystal have seen a few of them, but not 2,499 of them. Some are pretty cool. Okay, that's it.